I don't know if you can see, there's the sun there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but here is the trail that I'm walking, and I was noticing, just the colors and how beautiful everything is. And I've been doing some research on gratitude lately, and one of the things that they talk about in gratitude is how good it is for your health and for your immune system. So I encourage you today on this Self-Care Saturday, one form of gratitude that you can do is to really begin to be grateful for everything good in your life, everything that is going well in your life. All of you know, many of you here in this group are wellness professionals and doctors and holistic practitioners. You know how important it is to focus on what's positive. So when I decided to get out and walk in my area, I decided that I would focus on the colors, that I would focus on how good the air feels in my lungs as I'm breathing it in, that I would focus to the birds. I mean, the birds are all tweeting. These are all things that are uplifting my spirit. And if you decide to go on a walk in your area, I bet you'll feel the same way. I think that focusing on the negative is not healthy. It never brings good results, but focusing on the positive always does. I had a great week last week in terms of just what's going on in my business and how I'm feeling personally. And I was able to stay uplifted enough to be able to support others that weren't feeling as well. If you take good care of yourself in terms of staying uplifted, you're doing your community a service, because then you can help uplift others. Staying optimistic and encouraged and taking good care of you goes a very long way towards doing what's necessary to take care of all the others. I have a daughter in DC, and my other daughters are here, but because I'm, in the house, we all get on FaceTime together. We share our day. We share information that's positive. We even we've watched videos together that were funny. We just have a great time. So I encourage you to do things that will bring you joy, that will keep you optimistic and uplifted, and definitely exercise gratitude. There's also been studies that gratitude is good for the immune system, that gratitude can help you sleep better. Even now, you can find so many reasons to be optimistic and to be thankful. And let me say one more thing about getting out and exercising. Even though you may have been asked to, like we have in California, to stay inside, you can still go for a walk, okay? If you don't feel comfortable walking around the block, walk around your yard, walk around your backyard, get out of the house. Get out and get some fresh air. You need some fresh red blood cells to help aid your organs and immune system. Don't take this so literally. We are not under martial law. But to each his own. Everybody has to make a decision based upon what's best for them. What's best for me is to get out and get that fresh air, to stay engaged with nature, to remember who's ultimately in charge. I mean, look at that. Look at those trees there. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that in all the colors. And spring is coming, and I know when I turn this corner, I'm going to see some flowers on trees, and just, occasionally I see some wild ducks, wild turkeys. We have a lot of nature in this area. But just remember that God has provided everything that you need to get through even this. And I hope on this Self-Care Saturday that you will take some time to be grateful, to celebrate the good things in your life so that you can stay uplifted to continue to uplift others. Thanks so much for listening. I'll see you again later on in the group. Lots of exciting things going on. I think we're up to 3,031 people. Yay! Thanks so much. See you again next time. Take care. Bye-bye.